Hey guys, my name is Matt. I'm part of the team here at Freedom Music Factory, and today we're bringing you another snare video. So today we're actually going to take a look at the different tones and sounds you can get out of different materials of snares. So I'm going to pull these drums out and get them tuned up. John's going to walk you through our signal chain for recording this session, and then we'll get into the samples of the snares. So let's get to it.
Hey guys, today we had a signal chain. Basically starting from the snare, we have a SM57 at about a 45-degree angle, pointed at the center of the snare head. And then to get a little bit of a room tone, we have a stereo Royer SF24, just to kind of give you an idea of what the snare sounded like in the room. And for our signal chain off the SM57, we have the gamma on the steel setting. And in the video you'll probably be able to see what the gain stage is set at. For the Royer room mic, we have the Universal Audio 6176, just to get a nice discrete stereo sound. No other external EQ, no compression. We just went straight into the mic pre's, straight into the DAW, and that's what you're hearing.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let us know in the comments which snare you liked best. Me personally, after playing through all these and hearing all the different tunings on them, I think my favorite was probably that Craviotto. Let us know in the comments which one you liked best. As always, feel free to leave a suggestion for future videos, what you would like to see or hear. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on what we're putting out there. And thanks again for being here, guys. Have a good one.